It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today we are unboxing one of my favorite boxes of the month, and it is the Brown Sugar subscription box. This is by the Izzy and Liz brand company, and this is a lifestyle subscription box. It costs $39.95 plus $6.95 shipping and handling. And if your state has taxes, guess what? You pay taxes too on this subscription. But for me, I live in Delaware, so that's not a problem. So if you're not familiar with this box, this is a black-owned company. And again, this is a lifestyle box. So every month they have a theme. You get various different kind of products. Every subscription box comes with a t-shirt. And you give them your size when you sign up for the subscription. And you also get whatever the theme is for that month, plus whatever your t-shirt is. So we are going to get right into this box without any further delay. So guys, on this channel, if you're new here, I do various subscription unboxings and different hauls. If you're into that kind of thing and that's the kind of content you enjoy, please feel free to hit the subscribe button to this channel and you'll stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings. But for now, guys, let's get into this box. So guys, when you first open your box, you are going to first find yourself with a little paper magazine here. This magazine will also give you the theme of our box, as well as tell you what kind of various little articles are inside. And this month's box is in reference to travel. So the box theme is regarding travel. So let's see. Inside is called the Girls Trippin' Edition, so that's what this box is about. When you first open the first page here, it does give you the information about the box cost up here. So what that is the overall value of your box, as well as what options for what selections you could have received, as well as the one you received in your box. And if you have nothing to do, you can thumb through it. They have different articles, recipes, playlists, all that good stuff. So if you have nothing to do, you can check that out as well. But for now, let's get started. So we know that travel is the theme of this box. So let's see what we have first. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is what's sitting right on top. So guys, we have a book. So this is the Viola Davis. This is her book called Finding Me, and it's valued at $30. It is a hardcover book, guys, so that is awesome. And I did hear something about this book. I believe Oprah was talking about this book. If I remember, she did an interview with her talking about the details of this book. So I think this will be a great read. So guys, our information says that this is a perfect travel read. It says Finding Me is a memoir for Viola Davis. And it's a must read. It's inspirational about her journey and her ascension, so to speak, from poverty to leading lady. And she's been in various movies, as well as shows like How to Get Away with Murder, which was like my favorite series that she did. And they said you will literally have a hard time putting this book down because it's so good. So that's awesome. If you're traveling by plane, most of us, we're getting outside. So we definitely need something to read while we're in our travel mode on a plane, bus, whatever you're traveling through. So however you're traveling, you have a little free time on your hands and you're not perusing your phone, this book should be a good read for us. So I'm excited to get that. That's awesome. And that is on Oprah's book club, by the way. So I was correct. I remember she had something about it. So guys, I'm going to go on to the next item that's sticking up. So this is what I see here. And this is the Black Girls Illustrated All Over Print Blouse. And this has a $35 value. So let me pop it out the plastic here so we can see it in its full glory. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, wow. It is a blouse. And it's like a sort of like a crop kind of blouse. It doesn't come all the way down, but it has the little black women on it. We have a little collar here and the buttons. I love the print because I feel like you could just toss like jeans or some shorts or some tights on with this, and this would be really, really cute. And probably not button it all the way up at the top. Leave that top button open just to be a little bit more hip looking. But I really like this. They said this is valued at $35. There were only 2 options in the prints that you could have received. So I have one of the prints here. So you see the other print was a little bit more of a white selection with the background, but it also had another kind of print with the black women on the front of it. So I think that was awesome. So again, this is $35, and it says travel season and leisure is a must. Throw on a crop, tank, or bralette, or button or unbutton the twist in the front, or wear it with jeans or shorts. Basically what I said. Lightweight. It is very light. This is great to be on the plane with because it's not too heavy, but you have a little protection from the cold air or the air conditioner just blasting, which we should expect basically in the summertime weather that we're experiencing right now. So I think this is really cute. So I'm gonna hit our next product out of this box. So the next thing I'm seeing is this. So this is a Money Move zip around wallet. It's valued at $36. Let's open this up. And it had one of 3 selections. So out of the plastic, you can see what I have, and it does have a zipper here, so we can open it up. So this is what we have on the inside, which I think is great for traveling. You have something lightweight to put your documents in, your ID, your credit cards. You have slots. You also have another little section here if you have to put your ticket in here. And then you have a place for your coins right here. I think this is really neat. The zipper is a little here. Okay, there we go. So that is what we have. This is what it looks like before I fold this shut. But I thought this was really neat. This is valued again at $26. And you could have received one of 3. So down here we see the 3 selections. This is the one I have. I think that's really neat. And the information they have is put all your cards securely away with this sassy wallet designed with black girl looks in mind. You have plenty of spots to hit up, and the travel budget is ready for you. Run it up, sis. You'll receive 1 of 3 prints, which I just advised you of. So this is what we have. So I think this is very cute. And we also have our shirt of the month. So let me open this. This is valued at $25, and it's called Girlfriend Goals Tee. So let's pop this open. And it's a pink shirt as well. So guys, this is our girlfriend's tee. Isn't this too cute? I love it. And it is a regular size tee with the crew neck at the top here. I just love that. That is so cute. I can't wait to start wearing this one. I'm really loving this. This is so adorable. Again, this is valued at $25. I have size large. That is the size that I pick for my monthly subscription, but I'm really feeling this tee. I think it's great. Great tee to even travel in. So love it. Love it. Beautiful. And guys, we have one more thing in my box. So let's see what we have. Oh, so this is what I'm seeing. And this is the Art Deco luggage packing cube set. A packing cube set. Oh yeah, I really like that. So this is valued at $25. And let's take it out of the plastic so I can really show you guys what this looks like. This is so neat. Packing cubes, man. You're traveling, you need them things to kind of smash your stuff down so you can get everything in a suitcase. So we have everything inside of one. If you notice, guys, the opposite side has mesh, as you can see, and then on this side here, the Art Deco side, you see a young lady with like her hair look like it's in a natural state or like an afro kind of design. So that's what's on here. How cute is this? So how many bags are in here? So it says if you've watched that one TikTok 15 times about how to travel and pack your stuff, then this is for you to help with your packing skills. So we have this size here, and they all have the mesh on the opposite side. We have a bigger size here. We also have a zip up kind of looking pouch, and it has the same print. And then we have the big size that, oh, we got one more. I'm sorry, guys. There's another zip up kind of pouch in here that's bigger than the first one I showed you. And we have the original piece that everything sat in. How awesome is that? I've never, in all the years that I've been with them, got a packing cube set. So like, this is like awesome for me. Like, I'm normally like trying to order stuff on Amazon last minute to travel with, and here we are. We are starting the summer off right. We got a packing cube set. We have a book to read, a wallet. Oh my gosh, this is really great. And a t-shirt and a blouse. My bad. And we have a blouse. So I think overall, very well thought out. Nice. Great. I've never received a packing cube. I'm really hyped about that. That's probably the first thing I'm hyped about is the packing cube. But I think this is awesome, guys. Let me know what you think about the subscription box. I think this month's box was definitely awesome. So guys, thank you for watching my video today. Please let me know what you thought about this month's Izzy and Liv box. And this is for the month of May 2022. What Izzy and Liv does is they actually, you pay for your box at the end of the month and it's shipped out at the end of the month. So like around the 20th you're getting billed, or a little bit before the 20th you're getting billed, and then it's going out like that same week or next week. So it's always at the end just before the next month starts. So if you're interested, you can go to izzyandliv.com to go sign up for this box. This is my paid for box. I've been with them a couple of years now. And I really enjoy it because you do have the options to pick and choose when you want to stop your box, when you want to restart your box. You can pause it for however long you want. You can restart it 6 months later if you so desire. I think that's a really cool function of a subscription box. It makes it very cost effective, because if your budget changes for any reason and you need to shift things around, you could just put this thing on pause and resume it whenever you like. So I think that's one great feature of this subscription box. But guys, if you enjoyed this video today, please hit that like and subscribe button. It does help me out here on this small channel, and I would love to hear from you guys. If you want to hit me up in the comment sections and let me know what you thought about this box, that would be greatly appreciated. If you're already subscribed, thank you for your support. And I will continue to put out content that you guys can continuously enjoy. But guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so to help my small channel out here on YouTube. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.